So today I'm going to be reviewing the Flawless Bikini Instant Hair Remover from Finishing Touch. If you're familiar with Finishing Touch, the brand, you know that they make a lot of really dope shaving tools. So yes, I'm really excited to try this. This one is known to be great for sensitive skin areas and also very gentle on all skin types, because where we're about to test it out is a very sensitive area. So let's get into it. Shaving down there can be very daunting. You know, I've tried laser, and with laser I get to remove all the hair, but there's a particular area called the labia right here, labia, that is really hard to get the hair to come off. I've tried waxing it and it hurts so bad. I've tried shaving it, but there's always cuts and it hurts too. So now I'm trying out the Flawless Bikini hair remover because it says no nicks, no cuts, no bumps, which is perfect for that sensitive area. So in the box comes a Flawless Bikini manual, and also comes a battery. It's a turbo cell battery, just one, because that's all you need for the product. And I always love when a product comes with batteries. It just saves me time from looking for one or having to buy one. So also it comes with a brush that you use to clean the blades after shaving, so you can remove any hair that's kind of stuck within it. It also comes with a comb head that basically allows you to comb through curly hair and long hair. It has an easy to use switch on and switch off button. When you switch it on, it has an LED light that shows up, and honestly the LED light is so functional because when you're shaving very sensitive areas or very dark areas like your labia area, your pubic hair area, it actually gives light so you can see exactly where you're shaving. So the moment of truth. Does this product shave off all the hair from your labia area? Is it gentle? Is it easy to use on sensitive skin? And does it remove all the hair? Let's find out. Alright, so we are bringing this into the bathroom to try it out and see if it works. So we're going to be using this on that labia hair and pubic hair, those little corners on the lips, to see if it actually helps to cut them off without any stress, no cuts, no bumps, or nothing else. So for you to be able to do this, you're going to need this, and you're also going to need a mirror. So taking off the band-aid, I'm going to place my leg here so that I can see it, and it's all coming out. So right now, the light is very helpful because it's actually dark down there. So the light allows you to kind of, you know, like see down there. So this is pretty cool for that. Oh, this side looks so good. Wow, this is really good. You know what's cool about it is the fact that because I know it can't cut me, I'm like and there's no cut, and honestly that is amazing because that place is so sensitive and usually hurts a lot. So the fact that it's working without even no cuts, this is crazy. So I finished one side and the side looks super clean, super fresh, like no hair. So now let's do the other side. Whew. Nah, this product is amazing. Oh my god. First of all, the handle makes it easy to reach all those areas, even in the back, like around your butt area. Like if you grow hair around that area, this handle being curved makes it so easy to kind of like shave around like that area, right? So you're like this, like you're like that. Can you see? Can you see how it makes it easy? If it was straight, you won't be able to do all that. So this is amazing. Also, when you're spreading your labia separated, you know, it's just easier to kind of like, look at this, to just get every corner just because of the way the stick is. And also the blades are very, very safe. They do not cut you, which is amazing. And Like I was there like this at some point, and nothing, like all the hair was falling off very easy. Also, it's easier to do this over the toilet just so that you don't have hair everywhere, and then you can just flush when you're done. So what's the verdict? Would I recommend this? Hell yeah! Like this is amazing. And the cool thing is you can also use it for like your, you know, like if you grow hair on your beard or if you do mustaches, like this is easy. Look at this, like you can easily just go like that and everything comes off. Like this is an amazing tool to have. It's so small that literally when you're traveling you could just put this in your bag. Like it's so necessary. This is a must-have. Like nah, this is a must-have. Flawless, you always outdo yourself, always. This is a tool to have, and I'm really excited about this, and this is something I'll definitely continue to use. Okay. It's a yes for me. Oh my god, I think this product is one for the books. I think everyone needs to own one. It is so useful, and the fact that it's even a dry shave just makes it so much easier. You can use it anywhere and anytime. It's an amazing product. Definitely one to have.